Which way are you taking us, Osh? Say, wait, which way are you going? Look where you're going. Good. Well done. Right. Oh, let's have a look, see what's out here. Hold on, hold on. Ah, hold on, we're towing a log. Hold on, we got a log behind. Okay, Captain Oshy, smile. Where are you taking us, Captain? Where are you going? There's Cardiff back there.
Hey, look over there.
Okay, push it away from you, Osh. Straighten up, that's it, that's good. Bit more, bit more. Keep pushing it. Are we turning? Or are we still going straight? Want to go over to that building over there?
Yeah.
Push it away from you. Push. Push. No, push it. That's good. That's good. Oh, you dropped it. That's excellent. Right. See where we've been? Okay, good. That's excellent. Keep turning. Well done. That's it. Yeah, we're still turning. We've got to go over there. Can you see the front of the boat?
Yeah.
Well done. Let's have a look. Where are we going? That's Penarth. We need to go over there into the sun. So keep turning. Look, we're still turning. I can see the water.
Yeah.
See where we've been?
Yeah.
We're still turning. That's good. All right. We're far out now, aren't we?
Yeah.
There's Cardiff Bay all the way over there. St David's Hotel. Oh, we got a stowaway.
Hello.
Hello, stowaway.
Hello.
What's your name?
Mrs. Stowaway.
Mrs. Stowaway.
Yeah.
And where are we next?
We're still turning.
There's the docks. And there's Cardiff barrage. Yeah, you're still turning. I can see you're still turning. Far away now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Do we still have to turn?
Yeah, keep turning. Well done. Straight now. Straighten it up. Pull it to you a little bit.
Yeah.
Pull, 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 pull. That's it. Lovely. Well done. Now we're going straight. We're going straight over to the ice rink. Over there. Oops, wrong way. Okay, well done. There's the Taff.
There's the bridge over there.
That's right, that's where we go over on the car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it over there, look.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, and there's all the boats from the club.
We're way far.
We've gone a long way and we're going straight now. I can see we're going straight in the water. Well done.
Last day of the year, and oh my word,
It's
look who is
Captain Osh.
sailing the boat. It's Captain Oshy, and
Okay,
he's doing a very good job, I must say.
let's put a tack in, Osh.
Oh, they're going
Let's
to
put a
attack.
tack. Watch your back, Rose.
Wow.
So
they're gonna
push it to
attack.
me. Watch the front of the boat.
He's going to show Oshy what to do now.
That's it. Watch the front of the boat. Push it to me. Push it. That's enough. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Pick it up. Now this.
Oops.
Stand back.
Oh.
This is going to come across. Right, see the boat turning? This is
Now
going to
watch,
come
the
across
sail's
in a
going
minute.
to change direction now.
Watch now. Watch it.
There's Oshy's tacking.
Watch
Ready?
it. Here it comes. Nearly there. See we're still turning? Good. Here it comes. Watch it. Here it comes. Have we got enough speed?
Ooh,
comes,
then
Osh.
it's peeking. Watch the sail, Oshy. It's going to come across. Watching it.
Osh, look.
The
The sail.
one in front of you.
Moving. That's it. Well done.
Yep, almost there.
Excellent
We're
tack.
almost there. Yes, very
Lovely
good.
tack.
Very
Oh,
controlled, I
hold this
must
one
say.
up. Put that one up in the air.
Wasn't it?
Now onto the side.
Right, go swap now. Swap sides.
Okay,
Excellent.
that's good.
Whoa!
Well done.
go.
Okay, now where do we want to go?
Oh, we're just going to have a little sail around Cardiff Bay.
Should we go to St David's Hotel, please?
Oh, we're going to go to St David's
See the
Hotel.
big hotel?
Okay.
Take us down there, okay?
Oshan's going to do that. Should be fun.
We're
Oh, I'm
turning.
sorry.
We're still turning.
Over and out for the moment. We're just about to jibe because we're too close to the edge. Look. So here we go. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Sun.
Anybody
Is
to
the
wave
sun.
to?
Oh, that's not good.
Two of those are waving.
Are they waving to
Got a
you?
pirate on board. Alright,
Let's
down
see
to
who's
us.
waving.
Okay.
You're Captain Oshan on the boat.
Put it towards you.
Captain Oshan.
Put it towards you, Osh.
Sail.
Put it towards you.
Whoa, it's too shiny.
Go on,
too
watch your
shiny.
head, Rose.
Oh,
Put it towards you.
just been sitting on a wet rope. That's very nice. Sun's right behind us and coming off.
That yellow, that green one.
Right.
Head for the green one over there.
He's now heading for the
See?
green can. So
Nice.
Oshy's going to turn. Captain Oshy, I should say.
The green one.
Can you see the green one?
See it over there, see it all moving in by the bridge, by the road. We're all moving it, so push it to me a little bit. That's good. You see, we're going straight for the green one. Should we make it tip a little bit? We go faster there, won't we?
Right, boat's going to tip a little bit.
There we go. There we go. Oh. Now we go faster. Because we're using the wind, the sails. Where you going? See the green one over there?
Here we are, Captain Oshy again.
We're pointing to the green one. Good.
We're heading
Again,
for
push it towards.
the green boy. I'm going to show you the green boy. Oh, that was the sun. There it is in the distance. Can you see it? You should be able to see it just a little bit. That's what Oshy is heading for. Okay. Go back to the cockpit where Osian is being taught. Excuse me. Here we are. Now Osian's having his sailing lessons.
We're not even pointing there yet, we're pointing to the red.
Oh, well you have to turn it then if you're pointing to the wrong one. Which way do you go to turn it?
Pointing to the red.
Okay, wait till we point to the green.
But he don't want to push it.
Straighten up,
No,
Rose.
we want to go straight there. We want to go to the green one. It's very good. The natural. Let's say hello to that boat over there. Oh, you can just see it just in the distance. With Oshy and Mermaid. Oh, what are you doing, Oshy? We're turning. Excellent.
It's over there. See him? Keep turning. Put it to the sails going over.
Right, sails going over.
Well done. Good turn.
Hold it.
Yep. Straighten up now.
Right, what's the instructions?
Follow that boat.
There you go, Oshan. Follow that boat. Come on, we're going to make you a professional pirate
There we
pretty
go.
soon.
They're gonna go and loot that yacht. Loot. Put it to you a bit. We'll go down there and catch them.
Oshy's a pirate in disguise.
Say hello to them. Yeah. Good sailing.
Hello. Right, you got any instructions for Oshan or is he going in the right
No, he's
direction?
doing well.
Oh, right, okay then. We'll turn it off, we'll wait for an exciting
Try
time.
and catch them.
look at the boat because there it is. Crocodile. Bye bye. Back to Osian. Osian's happy now. He's
Yeah.
said hello to
I
somebody.
just saw.
Let's
I
go and
thought
see
about it.
Penarth. I think it's Penarth. Push it away
Said
from you.
goodbye.
Give it a
So
crash.
Osian's happy.
Push it.
Oops.
Otherwise, you'll